Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Luhung Rama Bilhak, but you can call me Luhung. In this video, I will tell you a story. The story about legend of Daung Snake. Once upon a time, on mountain slope in Jambi province, there lived a poor mother with her three daughters. The mother and the youngest daughter worked very hard every day to support their family. On the other hand, the first and the second daughter were extremely lazy and did nothing to help. One day, the mother fell terribly ill, so the three children called the shaman. The shaman said the mother could only be cured by a rare flower bought in a magic pot. However, the pot was kept in a dangerous cave and guarded by a huge mighty snake named Daung, and no one ever had returned from there alive. Hearing this terrifying news, only the youngest daughter was brave enough to go. Without wasting any time, she walked down the mountain to find the cave. After a long and tiring 3 days journey, she finally reached the top of the mountain. Just as she was about to pick the flower, she heard a loud sound, and the angry snow snake suddenly appeared. Shaking with fear, the youngest daughter cried and explained that she only wants to borrow the magic pot and take one flower to save her sick mother. Surprisingly, the youngest daughter's tears touched the snake's heart. He agreed to lend her the items on one condition, which she must return to the cave and live with him forever. Because she loved her mother deeply, she not in agreement rushed back home and gave the medicine to the shaman. True to her promise, True to her promise, the youngest daughter returned to the top of the mountain at midnight, even though she felt very scared inside. When she arrived at the dark cave, she was shocked because she did not find a down snake anywhere. Instead, she saw a very dashing and handsome man standing inside the cave. He revealed that he was actually a prince named Abdul Rahman Alam Shah, who had been cursed by his big uncle. The curse turned him into a giant snake during the day, but every night at midnight he became a human prince again. Meanwhile, back at the village, the mother recovered and heard the full story about her youngest daughter's sacrifice. She wanted to visit her immediately and asked her two oldest daughters to accompany her to the top of the mountain. In the middle of midnight, in the middle of the night, the three of them finally reached the top of the cave and were surprised to see the youngest daughter sitting happily with a very handsome man. The youngest daughter was thrilled and warmly introduced her family to the prince to them. However, seeing how handsome the prince was, the first and second daughter became very jealous. They secretly took the princess hidden snake skin and burned it to ashes. They placed the ashes next to the sleeping youngest daughter to frame her. Fortunately, their evil slender turned into good luck for the youngest daughter, because destroying the skin actually broke down the curse completely. The prince was free forever and thanked the youngest daughter for her pure heart. Soon after, the prince and the youngest daughter got married. return to his beautiful kingdom, and live happily ever after. The end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.